Namaskar everyone. I just came back from the service center and making this video. Morning by 7:30 I left, and the RSA van, recovery van came, and I had to go along with that because handing over procedure and everything. But I got DPF error day before yesterday. I was just driving in the traffic, so suddenly the error came. So I was in a panic, and I asked Shaker and Umesh Kalaburki, and they told me pull over to the sideway and do the manual regeneration. I was in a situation like there was no exit at least for 3 to 4 kilometers, so I had to drive. So this situation can happen anytime, no? Like will be there always a free way to get a exit from wherever you are in the main road. So what if like you are in a situation like me, like you may be over a bridge, okay, maybe inside the tunnel possibly, or a choke of block like in a Bangalore traffic, like I was in outer ring road by that time. So their argument is like as soon as your like display got, you're supposed to be stopping and doing the manual regeneration. How you can reliable this vehicle? After this incident, I'm really scared to take the vehicle to anywhere. You don't know like when it's going to stop. I never had any this DPF error experience, of course in my lifetime, as well as other colleagues, means the friends are telling me, like the Gurkha friends telling me like it is very horrible. I've been stalled around 13 times, Charan for example, and so I was listening that I never had an experience, so there is no like pure emotion to that. Okay, whenever they said, we just listening it actually, but it is a very believe me, like it is a very horrible error, because your torque will be lost. The vehicle suddenly will be, because it's getting blocked, right? The suit is getting blocked, so the power won't be there, and you will be crawling the vehicle maybe 10 kilometer per hour, 15 kilometer per hour. And as long as you're I thought like this is going to stop somewhere, but it was like a crawling like a snake, and people been looking at what is this, what he doing it, and Ford sent me like the technician to they told me like stop in the highway, and there was no stoppage at all. But I thought like anyway it is got blocked anyway, I will drive wherever it's possible, till wherever it can be reached, because they came and all like maybe after 2.5 hours to attend the vehicle. Till that time you're on a highway without like no access to anything, so I just drive and made a safe point and stop there.
डीडी बनावर बोले नहीं, फीस बनावर को बोले.
So they came and checked. So the suit mass was around 48. They said manual regeneration is not possible. You need to tow the vehicle to the service center. It was on Saturday, so Sunday they are off. So vehicle, nothing can happen. It was parked here, and today morning this recovery van came and took the vehicle to the service center.
4 into 4.
In the service center, there is a different story. Like if you remove the DPF, like there is no gasket to refit that one, so no parts are available. For example, like if the gasket is not there, you need to wait the gasket to come. So maybe your 1 day or 2 days gone. Fitting, cleaning and everything is different. This is different. Getting this continuous errors, the gear issue is still there. It is not resolved yet. Vehicle is in stationary right now. Just show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here earlier it was not falling properly. It was stuck over there. Now if you give a little pressure, it's still going, but there is a stuck. And on top of that, this many one more problem. Okay, so somebody's been commenting on the YouTube and FB. I am sure like they don't have any experience like me, what I'm facing right now, and they've been criticizing like this is a biased feedback, as well as someone was telling like there is no authenticity on my my videos. If you are seeing this, like I'm just telling you, like this channel I opened only to share my feedbacks, not to get any revenue generation from this, or the likes or the reach. This is not my goal at all. My only the goal was like me, somebody will be there, like a crazy for machines. In Malayalam we say Vandi Prandan. Okay, that is a practical name we used to call all having this all affinity. You are falling in love, you won't be listening to any others. That is used to happen to you all anytime, no? Like remember that the same situation, because you are like so loving this vehicle and you are not ready to listen anything. If I am saying at this point of time, you don't listen, you may be like ignoring it and you're going and buying the vehicle. I'm not telling you to like do not buy the vehicle. Try asking fools is that the errors are relevant. They are not going to like tell you tell the truth to you at all. This is for sure. And ultimately they just need the money, and they are doing the R&D on the sold vehicle. Okay, please, so if you are thinking like this is all going to sort out, it's maybe going to sort out, but how long? Someone will be telling like 1 year. Yeah, 1 year. So what about your time? What about your time? the R&D want to happen on the sold vehicle. And why the R&D department? Why we need a force? Why we need a Gurkha? 6.2 versions or the 2024. I thought personally it's going to be a better version from the predecessors, right? So that is used to happen, but this is all reverse. They got the power more, and you are going to no capable at all. The power is nothing they added the add blue on it to increase the power and comply the norms of BS6 .2. Then that is getting chopped block. It's a malfunctioning machine. I heard this last month. Bangalore's sales were zero, and I also heard Mysore dealers are closed. They're taking the new orders. They mailed to the force saying that please fix these errors, otherwise we cannot sell the vehicle. I think all the dealers supposed to be doing this, because it's all our time and wasting our time, energy, and your hard-earned money on this. So just hiding this all, how long you can hide it? Force is thinking this same strategy, they're going to fix it in over a period of time, and whatever the sales happen, let it happen. A shame for a company which is hiding the truth and selling this vehicle, the malfunctioned vehicle, and people will be arguing this is all very good. Maybe I wish you won't be you don't experience the problems which I experienced severally. It's not only me, all the Gurkha owners who I met, at least in the short span of time, at least 6 to 7 people are having the same issues. So you cannot bypass something like this as this is your biased videos and what is it this is only a standalone cases or anything. Okay, forget force. They are heartless, and I don't think some of you should not be behave like inhumans. Okay, there is no benefit for me to sharing this video. Benefit in the sense I'm not as I explained, no monetary expectations, or I don't want to reach this and take this channel to something else. No, I just without with a dilemma, with a confusion, with a uncertainty, I started putting these videos in the YouTube only to help someone, or throwing the light to the real problems what we are facing. That's it.